In today's video, I'll teach you how to refresh X feed. So first of all, open the X application. You can see over here X application has been opened. So refreshing the feed is actually very simple. What you have to do is simply pull down from the top of your screen. After you do that, you can see over here the contents will be refreshed. Likewise, you can also switch between the following and for you tab so that your content will be refreshed. Also, if you want to refresh the X feed, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of app. For that, open the app library of your device, long press on the X application, tap on this option App Info. After you do that, you'll be led to the App Info interface of X. What you have to do is tap on this option Storage and Cache that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to find two options over here. Tap on this option Clear Cache. Likewise, you can also tap on this option Clear Storage if you want. Now tap on this option OK. After you do that, the app will be refreshed. Your feed will also be refreshed. Likewise, also make sure to turn on the background usage. For that, tap on this option Mobile Data and Wi-Fi that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, find this option for background data. Make sure to enable this option. Simply toggle this button on. After you do that, background data will be enabled. That means the uses of the mobile data will be enabled for the background, and whenever you open the X, it will be automatically refreshed. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you refresh X feed. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.